Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is the second part of the video. Who is Imam Mahdi? The introduction of Imam Mahdi alayhi salam. The first part I have uploaded. If you want to watch, you can go and check out that video. This is the second part of the introduction of Imam Mahdi alayhi salam. So let's get started. Imam Mahdi, our 12th Imam, is the son of our 11th Imam, Imam Hassan Askari alayhi salam. Each of our Imams stood for justice, but it will be our 12th Imam who will wipe out injustice from the world. He is the guide towards Allah, the promise of Allah, the caller towards the book of Allah, and the perfect word of Allah. He is the master of the time and has power given by Allah over everything. He is the friend of the believer and the helper of those in distress. He is the source of pride to the Muslims, anger to the hypocrites and unbelievers. He is the one chosen by Allah to take revenge from those who killed Imam Hussein alayhi salam and his family and followers in Karbala. He will be helped by Allah in his task. He will bring honor to those who believe and will revive Islam. The knowledge of Imam Mahdi alayhi salam given to him directly by Allah is so vast that nothing is hidden from him. During his rule, people's knowledge will increase in every subject. His government will be universal. He will bring peace, order, and justice. Such are his qualities that Allah says in Hadith-e-Qudsi, describing his position in the shiny sky of Imamat. He said, among them, Al-Qaim is like a sparking star. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.